Hey everyone, welcome to West Coast Muscle Saws. This is that Homelite EZ I showed in a previous video. Got it running good. I've squared the bar up, got the razor grind chain on it. I'm going to fire it up and let you listen to it to hear what a vintage 70s chainsaw sounds like. Not a great running chainsaw. If you got any questions on these, let's give you a quick tour of the shop here. Coming in the back door, of course. Got a lot of saws to work on today. That all came in. More saws. Anyway, here's that information. SawKing@hotmail.com, 541-863-5387. If you got any questions, get hold of the chainsaw guy.